Production interruptions cost industrial companies hundreds of billions each year, and up to 80% of machine failures are oil-related. This also leads to massive streams of waste oils. Fluid Intelligence solves this challenge with its unparalleled solution. Fluid Eye sees inside of oil flow in real time. It sees microscopic impurities and wear particles, chemical changes that degrade oil, temperature, and many other critical factors. It's smart, as it generates real-time failure mode analysis. And it speaks to you by alerting only when needed and giving concrete recommendations for further actions. What's best is it's plug and play and boosts your existing maintenance practices. Fluid Eye is perfect for continuous monitoring of critical machinery and processes. It's also ideal in sample-based snapshot mode to quickly generate a fleet-level performance view in raw material and energy production, process industries, and in logistics and material handling. Fluid Eye brings you a new and unparalleled way to maximize operational reliability, save costs, and cut waste oils in half.